Such thing as an invasive species. There's only a such thing as a species that has found an area that it can live in, but their living in that area is inconvenient to our production and agriculture.
I'm gonna be completely honest, this is one of the most ignorant takes I have seen in a long time. So yes, invasive species are absolutely a thing, and they are a very bad thing in most cases. To say that invasive species aren't a thing is removing the factor of like human-caused environmental damage, because like no, it's not the species' fault, but it is still bad. Would you like examples? Because I have so many examples. Remember back in 2020 when everyone was really scared for about a week about these giant Japanese hornets? Yeah, well, they're still a thing, and they will attack local bees' nests, and they will decimate populations of native bees, which are integral to pollination of everything. There is a massive population of Burmese pythons in Florida that were released into the wild after they grew too big for their owners to take care of them as pets, and they were just like, nah, goodbye. And if you haven't noticed, these are big fucking snakes, and when you have a lot of big snakes in areas that they should not be, that causes problems. Northern pike are a major factor in why native sturgeon in Canada are endangered, because they eat all the baby sturgeon because they're not supposed to be here, and the baby sturgeon have no defenses against these aggressive fucking fish. And sturgeons aren't the only ones, like pike will eat anything, and that like will destroy native fish, freshwater fish populations. Lionfish will decimate reefs because they're super aggressive and also toxic to humans, and there's like literal bounties for bringing in dead lionfish. Most people aren't gonna like this, but domestic cats. Everywhere that there is domestic cats where they weren't originally found, they're invasive. They will absolutely destroy local rodent and songbird and reptile populations, and cats should not be outdoors because they are like apocalyptic to local environments. This is Kuzdu, and this was an area of forest that it completely took over and choked out literally all other plant life. Look at that and tell me that that's not a problem. It killed literally everything and is taken over. I will add, exotic does not always equal invasive. Like these, I think Joro spiders are coming into the US, and they're not considered invasive because they're actually not causing problems in the environment, so new species aren't always bad.